how to change a drill bit on your Black+Decker cordless drill. Now, the easiest thing to do is put it down on a flat surface, hold this section here, this is the chuck, this front bit, and this is the tightening section here. So hold this hand on the chuck and this hand on the tightening screw and twist this hand forward and this hand towards you. And like that, and you'll feel it loosen. And then you can untighten the chuck. You see, like that. And you'll be able to take the bit out, get your new bit, place it in, tighten it up by going the opposite way. Now again, put it down on a surface, and this time grab the same pieces, so this hand with this bit, this hand the back bit, and twist the opposite way. So this hand towards you, this hand away. And that'll nip it up, and your bit will be nice and tight in the chuck and shouldn't slip. So that's how easy it is to change a bit on your Black+Decker cordless drill. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you do, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.